Good afternoon, Bridgeline.
Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Bridgeline Binyan, 34 years old, single, no kids. I'm a college graduate with a course of Bachelor of Science in Social Work. I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid, taking care of the two children, 4 years old and 9 months old baby. I do house like cleaning, cooking, washing, and do gardening and marketing at the same time.
What time do you wake up in the morning and what time do you sleep at night?
I wake up in the morning at 5:30 in the morning and sleep at 10 o'clock night.
What things do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
First thing to do, especially if the baby is crying, you need to check the diaper if it's wet or she or he done poo. Second, if he's had a tummy ache or she or he is hungry.
Do you know how to sterilize bottles?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, what if your employer cannot provide you Sunday off?
It's okay, ma'am.
Any day is okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
What if one member of your family in the Philippines got sick? What will you do?
Maybe I just call them and tell them that I can't go home, but I can send money to help them.
So you promise not to break your contract?
Yes.
Any message for your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you choose me as your house helper, I promise to obey and obey your house rules, and I may say that you can trust me and with your kids. That's all.
That's all, Bridgeline. Thank you. Good day.